Today we will start chapter number 2, Introduction to SEO, that is Search Engine Optimization, part 1. We will understand what is SEO. Everybody is familiar with word TRP, that is Target Rating Points. Every television channel try to improve their TRP by using different techniques like by advertising or by improving their program quality. Similarly, SEO is the technique used to improve your website ranking. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. First, understand what is search engine. On internet, millions of websites are available. It is not possible to remember names of all websites. Therefore, search engine is the website which is used to search information like text, audio, video, images on particular topic. Search engine searches those websites which are designed by using SEO techniques. Let us see the definition of SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is technique for designing and developing a website to be ranked high in search engine result. Next topic is types of SEO. There are two types of SEO: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. First, see on-page SEO. On-page SEO is related to well designing the web pages of website. It includes giving appropriate, that is self-explanatory title to web page in title and slash title bar. Means suppose you are developing website or web page related to computer, then give computer related title in title bar. Provide good content of your website or web page should be good, and provide appropriate keyword at appropriate place. Keywords means words related to your web page. Means you can provide keywords. Suppose you are developing website about computer, then put keywords like keyboard, mouse, monitor. Means if somebody will search on topic monitor, then also it is possible search engine will search your web page. If somebody will search on topic like mouse or printer, then also it is possible that search engine will provide your page to that user. Next topic is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO means efforts taken up from outside of a website to improve its search engine ranking. It includes link building, link exchange, increasing link popularity. Means providing your link on social media platform like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Next topic is techniques of SEO. There are two types of techniques. First is white hat SEO and second is black hat SEO. First we will see white hat SEO. The technique that search engine recommends are called white hat SEO. As name suggests, these techniques are legal techniques for improving your website ranking. Following are some white hat SEO techniques. First, relevant content. Means your web page should contain appropriate content. Well labeled images. If your page is having image, then provide proper labels to that image. Complete sentences with good spelling and grammar. means your page should have proper spellings and proper grammar, means your page should not contain any grammatical or spelling mistakes. Standard compliant HTML means there are different HTML tags available. Some browser does not support some HTML tags. You should use tags which are supported by most of the browsers. Unique and relevant page title means title of your page should be unique and proper, related to your web page topic. Second SEO technique is black hat SEO. The technique that search engine does not recommends are called black hat SEO. As name suggests, these techniques are illegal techniques for improving your website ranking on search engine. Following are some black hat SEO techniques. First, duplicate content. Some website shows same content at different locations. Next, invisible text and stuffed keywords means repeating same paragraphs or same point at different locations. Next, clocking or redirecting the user to another web page. On internet, some sites provide unnecessary links of some other websites which are not related to topic. This is called clocking. Next is links from site with non-relevant content. Some website provides links of some other websites that are not related to given topic. These all are black hat SEO techniques. Today we have discussed three important topics of chapter number 2. Definition of SEO, types of SEO. There are two types of SEO: on page SEO and off page SEO. And techniques of SEO. Techniques are two, which are white hat SEO and black hat SEO. Don't confuse between types and techniques of SEO. Types are two, that is on page SEO and off page SEO. And techniques are white hat SEO and black hat SEO. In exam, question may asked in objective dash are the types of SEO and dash are techniques of SEO. Therefore, revise this topic as it can confuse you between types and techniques. Types are on page, off page, and techniques are black hat and white hat. Let us see some MCQs based on online IT exam. First type of MCQ is fill in the blanks. First, dash technique is used for designing and developing websites to be rank high in search engine. The technique is SEO, that is search engine optimization. Second, SEO stands for means full form of SEO. Answer is search engine optimization. Third, dash type of SEO include provision of good content, good keywords, selection appropriate title, etc. There are two types of SEO: on page and off page. Good content, good keyword, these are the designing techniques. So answer is on page SEO. Fourth, dash SEO include link building, increasing link popularity. These are the efforts taken from outside to rank your website. Therefore it is off page SEO. Answer is off page. Last, fifth question, dash technique of SEO is approved by search engine. There are two types. One is white hat and second is black hat. Approved means which is legal. Search engine approves technique which are legal. So white hat is approved by search engine. Answer is white hat. Next, state true or false. First question. Off-page SEO include good content, appropriate title. Off-page SEO, it is related to external efforts taken for ranking your website. Therefore, answer is false. Second, white hat SEO is recommended by search engine. There are two techniques, white hat and black hat. White hat is legal, therefore it is recommended by search engine. Answer is true. Third, SEO social bookmarking is on page SEO. It is not on page because it is efforts taken from outside to popular your website. So its answer is false. Fourth, SEO social media is off page SEO. Improving your website ranking using social media, it is off page, therefore answer is true. Next question, select one correct answer. First, dash technique used for designing and developing a website to be rank high in search engine result. Options are SEO, SOE, speed search and search star. Correct answer is SEO, that is search engine optimization. Second, dash search engine optimization include link building, link exchange, etc. There are two types of optimization techniques, on page and off page. On page is related to designing and off page is related to efforts taken from outside, that is link building. So answer is off page. Third, dash SEO technique is recommended by search engine. There are two techniques, black hat and white hat. White hat is legal and black hat is illegal. Therefore, answer is white hat because it is legal and recommended. Next question, select two correct answers. First, two types of SEO. There are two types, on page and off page. Here options are at page, on page, off page, no page. Correct answers are on page and off page. Second, two SEO techniques. Two SEO techniques are black hat and white hat. To provide two correct answers, white hat and black hat.